Walk into a traditional bank today, and you'll often find an empty lobby and unused teller windows. But step into a rural marketplace, and the economic reality is entirely different. It is fast, crowded, and almost entirely dependent on physical cash. Drop a state-of-the-art Sigma ATM into the middle of this market, and you have the hardware for financial inclusion. But hardware alone does not create a functioning banking system. To a community with no prior access to digital finance, a glowing, solar-powered portal can look like an alien spaceship. People are curious, but they hesitate to hand their daily livelihood over to a piece of glass and steel they don't understand. To solve that friction, Sigma built the Ghost Branch. It is a decentralized operational system where a single local ATM node expands outward, connecting to a network of remote human guides, effectively replacing the physical footprint of a traditional bank building. State-of-the-art infrastructure sits idle without user trust. The Ghost Branch serves as the operational bridge between advanced machinery and hesitant local communities. Building that trust begins on the ground. Instead of placing tellers behind bulletproof glass, Sigma deploys local field educators directly into the village square to conduct community outreach. During these sessions, an older market trader who has never used a digital platform steps up to the machine. A local guide stands next to her, physically walking her through which buttons to press to complete her very first transaction. The moment she prints a physical receipt confirming her balance, the hesitation breaks. Seeing tangible proof that the machine accurately reflects her cash builds immediate, localized trust. This hands-on mechanical education is a mandatory prerequisite. A user needs to feel comfortable making basic deposits and withdrawals before they can utilize the system's advanced financial services. Once a user knows how to operate the portal, they access the second operational layer, live video link to a human liquidity guide. These guides operate from distributed co-working spaces in global cities. They appear live on the ATM screen, serving as virtual tellers and personal financial advisors. This logic chart shows the advisory process. We see identical financial service pipelines, working capital, savings plans, and risk protection. One flows to a high net worth client in a major city. The other flows to a rural farmer at a village ATM. The algorithm delivers the exact same guidance. By decentralizing the human advisor, the system brings expert advice to anyone connected to a portal. The quality of financial guidance no longer depends on a user's geographic location or net worth. Maintaining that consistent quality across thousands of remote guides requires a global operational nerve center. This map tracks the network's real-time health, monitoring ATM uptime, call queues, and customer satisfaction across continents. Overlaying the protocol layer reveals standardized training modules distributing to every node, ensuring guides apply strict banking protocols with human empathy. Operating a decentralized, invisible branch network demands tighter logistical orchestration and quality control than managing a traditional brick-and-mortar institution. Back in the village square, our market trader finishes her video consultation and logs out of the portal. Through the combined layers of local field educators, remote expert guides, and central operations, the full capabilities of a global financial institution are projected directly onto a single piece of hardware. This model demonstrates that expanding financial inclusion can be achieved without the construction of expensive physical bank buildings in remote areas. Advanced financial technology achieves its highest utility when it scales human trust, packaging real empathy and expertise so they can be securely distributed to any coordinate on the globe.